Yo, what is up, guys? I'm a fucking NPC, and this is trade recap for 24th. Oh shit, 24th of September 2025, Wednesday. So today I took one loss. Well, to be fair, it wasn't even a loss. I just like took a stab, like just some crazy like bottom tick kind of move. Well, not really, but yeah. You'll see it. I only lost 110 because I knew it was very, very low probability, so I went in with like 1/4 my normal size, 1/3, a bit less than 1/3, and a bit more than 1/4. So like 2/5. No, wait, what? Oh yeah, 2/5, 2/4/6. No, wait, what? Two. Alright, doesn't matter. No, it's like 3/8. No. Yeah, it's 3/8 my size. And yeah, let's break it down. So, going into the day, I was bearish because we had all this um, liquidity to run, and yeah, basically we had all this liquidity to run. I mean, we could have seen upside. To be fair, we could have just pumped to these equal highs. So, but I was still a bit more bearish because these lows were just like way more attainable. Okay, never mind. Well, yeah, I was still bearish because we just inversed this whole fat move here, created this like kind of BPR that we tapped into. So yeah, I was bearish. And by the way, if you don't see the BPR, there it is. You can see it. So going to the 15-minute. Let's go to market open real quick. So I wanted to see first of all if market open. What time is this? 9. Skip 1 minute. So what time is this? Let's go in the 5 minute. So I actually wanted to see a Judas swing first with an SMT into this fair value gap, so something like this. You know, market open, like we just like wick this, like barely and dump, something like this, or we have a deeper retrace, or we have like. But as long as we got above these highs, I didn't give a fuck. But we ended up. Well, I'll show you. We didn't even form an SMT. Like, look, off market open, we swept only these highs, not even London highs. And then on ES we made equal highs, so it wasn't even like a proper SMT with these highs. If it was, then that would have been higher probability, like if it was like this SMT, but that didn't even happen, so it was kind of shit. Like that didn't happen, but oh well. I kept watching the market. I wanted to see these lows here, mainly these two. So we actually this was the trade that was good today, but actually I was kind of busy from like, well, I wasn't busy, but I was outside because like I have school, and usually during like this time, like 10 a.m. New York, like prime trading time, I'm walking to my house from school. So I'm only checking on my phone, and it's like the sun's shining onto my phone. I'm trying to like check if there's a trade or not, and it was just like a headache as fuck. Like, so I so shit trading on the phone because you can't check like ES and Q at the same time, you know. But this was the A plus trade I think today. So if we go on the 1 minute, I should go on the 2 minute. We make relative equal lows, not an SMT, so that's good. Then we tap into this for value gap, and let me show you. We actually engineer liquidity quite a bit. Look, bang, one high, bang, two high. But on ES, however, we had an SMT, and on ES, what we had was a 3 drive out of this, like respecting this 5 minute gap, basically. Like 8 minute, 7 minute gap. I know it's goofy time frames, but you know, it's still time frames. 7 and 8 minutes. So respecting this gap, and then wait, where is this thing? Oh yeah, here it is. We actually put in an SMT with these highs right here. Actually put in an SMT, and then you can just enter on this inverse right here. Stop above this protected high because it made the SMT, targeting these lows. Easy 2 RR with a fucking, like, slammed it. But didn't take this because I simply wasn't on the charts. Yeah, man. But the only bad thing is because like we actually left a bit too much engineered liquidity. However, there was an SMT. So yeah, on the ES it would have been like, such a nice trade. But on NQ, like it was also a nice trade because we actually made like relative equal lows at this low and then like basically perfect equal lows at this low. So yeah, that was just a banger, banger, banger trade basically, not gonna lie here. But what I ended up taking was actually, I think it was some brain dead long. Well, not really brain dead. It was at 512, so it's at, yeah, I took a long here. So I like left school, I was watching this. I actually don't know too much what I was thinking. Wait, what was I thinking? Oh yeah, I was gonna just take a long. Wait, what time is this? 11:24. Oh yeah, we're about to have it. Oh yeah, we swept these lows, put in an SMT. When you get it, we put in an SMT with this low here, and then we have a change in the state of delivery. Let's go on the 3 minute. We get a change in the state of delivery and actually enter on this candle here. I only enter 3 contracts with a tight stop, and I was only aiming for these highs here. So yeah, and I was gonna enter my full size if we inverse this gap. Like enter, so I was 3 cons in here, and then I was gonna enter like 6 more once we inverse this gap, but we actually didn't end up inversing it. We respected it and went lower. But 3 cons, I knew that it was a low probability trade. Yeah, as you can see, 117. Here are the executions. Long, stop out. This was the same for value gap. This gap. So yeah, but honestly, this trade just banger, banger trade. And the another reason why it didn't work out was because just the overall draw on the day was bearish. Like we just inverse this massive move, and there's no way we don't take at least the low that started this whole move up. So yeah, but it was just a stab. Like to be fair, it wasn't even like I shouldn't even be recording a trade recap, but it's just like still a trade. Like if I do anything on this, I have to record the journal, like a recap. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm not gone. I didn't abandon anything, alright? I'm still every day on these charts. I just barely taken any trades. September has been absolute fucking anal rape, bro. So yeah, see as I was actually backtesting June 2024 price action, and holy shit, it's fucking insane. I'll show you my. This is my like this particular trading session so far. This is how it fucking looks. I think I done 3 months. Yeah, 3 months. Honestly, kind of decent. So yeah, no, 4 months. All right. I'm not gonna fucking ramble for longer. See yous.